make money your servant. A lot or most people literally hate to make money their servant. And they go out of their way, literally, not to make money work for them. And me here today is to unpack and see why can they not change their minds to make money work for them. To begin with, we must understand and clarify the old myth that money is the root of all evil and money is bad. Money is not the root of all evil and money is not bad. Money is as good as the school fees it pays, the food and the clothes it buys, the hospital bills that it pays. So money is very important. And nothing on this earth is going to replace the position that money holds. Money brings the enjoyment of the best the earth offers. So anyone here that thinks that money is the root of all evil, that person probably must walk out, because money is not. That person is evil. So, before we begin, let me see by show of hands how many people here earn salaries or work for yourself. So the point I'm trying to make is that we all have different trades of work that we do. But at the end of the day, we all earn money. Before we proceed, anybody here that says, I make money, today I'm telling you that you are wrong. The only person who makes money is the guy that works in a mint. The rest of us, we all earn money. Why? Because money is the harvest of our production. It means that it's the reward we receive after we've provided service, any service, or we sold a product, right? And it is the same that you use to reward other people that you hire to provide a service to you.
Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.